friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the scope of international marketing management and the need of international marketing. So in scope of international marketing, the main scope of international marketing is exporting. So if we are going to market internationally, we can export goods and services from one country to another country. We can also have established a which establish our country in foreign countries. We can enjoy joint venture as well as collaborations. We can have licensing with foreign countries and foreign companies. We can enjoy the consultancy services, and also we will be having a technical as well as managerial know-how. So first and foremost, the scope for international marketing is exporting of goods and services from one country to another country. And another scope of international marketing is importing of goods and services from foreign countries to our country. So if we are going to market internationally, we can import goods and services which are in scarce in the domestic country from the foreign country. Suppose if the domestic country is having a scarce for raw material or human resources, they can import it from foreign country to the domestic country also. And another thing is that we will be having an international operations. We are able to manage international operations if we are going to market internationally. Then another important scope of international marketing is re-exporting. For example, if we are exporting any particular goods or services from our domestic country to foreign country, from that particular foreign country we can export it to some other countries also. So if we are going if going for international market, we can enjoy a facility of re-exporting also. So these are the important scope of international marketing. First one is exporting, second one is importing of goods and services from foreign country to domestic country, and we will be having international operations, and re-exporting is also possible. And next we can see what are the next, we can see what are the different objectives of international marketing. The first and foremost objective of international marketing is to develop skills, creating marketing challenges and opportunities. So we know that if we are going internationally in different countries, we will be meeting different countries, different companies, different people, and all this. So if we are interacting with all these resources, we can develop our skills. And not only to develop our skills, we can also create marketing challenges and opportunities. So we know that if we are going to market internationally, definitely we will have to face challenges, as well as that we are also having different kinds of opportunities. So we can utilize different kinds of opportunities that is possible while doing international marketing. So the first objective is to develop skills and to create marketing challenges and opportunities. And next objective is to gain experience in developing marketing strategies. So we know that different companies will be having different marketing strategy, and also if our company is going to market internationally, they will surely have to face some challenges, and they have to face some unfavorable situations also. So and also in order to succeed in the market, a particular business organization should have some strategies also. So if we are going to market internationally, we will be able to develop different strategies in order to succeed in the market. So we can gain an experience in developing marketing strategies. Our next objective of international marketing is to gain verbal written skills for communication. As we know that if we are going to market internationally, we will be meeting people with different languages. So we can gain our verbal communication skill. And we know that if a business organization will be having different business correspondents, only if they are doing different business correspondence, they will be able to succeed in the market. So by doing this type of different business correspondence, then they will be able to gain the written skill of communication also. So another one objective of going international market is to gain verbal as well as written communication skills. And next is to have decision making ability. As we know that every organization in each and every moment they have to take some serious decisions. So if they are going to market internationally, the decisions taken by them will be according to the country or according to the needs and wants of a particular business organization. So if they are going to market internationally, they can gain their decision making ability. And next one is be ethical in practice and urge to learn more and more on marketing management. Sure, that we know that even the government is ensuring the ethical practices of business organization or companies. So if the different countries will be having different ethical practices, so we can also understand all those ethical practices and adopt in a particular business organization. And also there will be we can gain an urge to learn more and more on marketing management, as we know that due to the advancement of science and technology, and also due to the developments that is happening in and around the country, we know that the things are changing in an easy pace. So it is an important for a businessman to learn more and more about marketing management. So if we are going internationally, we will be having an urge to learn more and more on international marketing management. So these are some of the important objectives of international marketing. First one is to develop skills, to create marketing challenges and opportunities, to gain experience in developing marketing strategies, to gain verbal written communication skills, to have decision making ability, to be ethical in practice, and to urge more and more on marketing management. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.